let's discuss lens cleaning. Now, this is going to be your primary source of filming. I want to recommend you get you a soft cloth. Very affordable, very inexpensive. And this is going to keep your lens nice and clear of anything that's going to compromise the quality of your video. If you happen to touch your lens by mistake, the oil from your fingers can drastically degrade the quality of your video footage. I'll demonstrate here. So here I'm using my cell phone. Now, if you can see, if I take my finger, clean enough, right? However, if I am to touch it, you can see a degrading of the quality where it's kind of milky now, as before it was very clear. So having a soft cloth is very important to upholding the quality and integrity of your video production.